Your main focus at the Ijtima and throughout the year should always be on increasing your spirituality and religious knowledge. In order to gain secular knowledge and to advance in education, the majority of Ahmadi youth study very hard. However, in many cases, the same effort and struggle is not being made for the sake of gaining religious knowledge. Hence, the main reason we hold jalsas and ijtimas is so that all the participants can join together to elevate their spiritual and moral standards and increase their religious knowledge, and to recognize that they should continually seek to better themselves.